Whether you love it or loathe it, remote work, it's here to stay. So how do we adapt and thrive in this new environment? Well, let's talk about it. First, some statistics, and I'll put the citations in the comments below. A 2023 study by Stanford shows 42% of the U.S. workforce continues to work remotely. Additionally, research from Microsoft shows that 70% of workers want flexible remote work options to continue post-pandemic. And finally, a survey by Buffer revealed 97% of employees would recommend remote work to others. Now, these numbers highlight a significant shift in our work culture. And I, for one, I'm glad things have changed. Why? Well, a quick sidebar. For a long time, well over a decade, I commuted in and out of New York City. And this is difficult for me to say, but each way, door to door, was 1 hour and 45 minutes. That's 3.5 hours each and every day. And very often it took longer. I'm not going to do the math to figure out how many hours that was in a year, nor am I going to multiply that times 10 to figure out what it was in a decade. But whatever it is, I don't want to know because I did that. So given that remote work is happening, how do we adapt and excel in this environment? Well, here are 3 meaningful tips from the trenches about remote work. The first thing is establish a routine. It's very easy to blur the lines between your work and personal life when your office is just a few steps from your bed. So create a daily schedule that includes regular breaks and stick to it. This helps maintain a sense of normalcy and it boosts your productivity. Start your day with a clear plan. Tools like Google Calendar or Asana can help keep you on track and ensure you're prioritizing your tasks and your day effectively. Step 2, create a workspace that you like for yourself. A comfortable and efficient workspace can make all the difference. Invest in a decent chair, get proper lighting, and maybe even some noise-canceling headphones. The American Psychological Association says a well-designed workspace can reduce stress and increase productivity. So make your workspace a place that you enjoy being. It can inspire and motivate you. Step 3, stay connected. One of the biggest challenges of remote work is the potential for isolation. So regularly check in with your team through video calls, through instant messaging, or even take virtual coffee breaks just to talk. A study by Harvard Business Review found that regular, informal communication can significantly boost team morale and cohesion. Now, I know we all get tired of Zoom, Slack, or Teams, but they do help us maintain that sense of community and collaboration. So there you have it. Establish a routine, invest in your workspace, and remember to stay connected. Remote work does present its challenges, but with the right approach, we can turn those challenges into opportunities for growth and innovation. Thank you for tuning in to Field Notes. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your thoughts on remote work. It means a lot to me. Until next time, keep adapting and thriving.